Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free exhibition pass in Heartopia Sanrio event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the event menu and we'll see the Sanrio Characters Invitation, and there will be a puzzle piece, and then we just need to log in every day to get the daily reward. And you just need to tap on the puzzle piece, and then you will unlock reward, and the rewards are the exhibition pass and also this item, cinnamon star wallpaper and the kurami bow wallpaper and the my melody heart wallpaper. But yeah, from here we can get the exhibition pass for free. Just log into Heartopia, and then you will unlock the puzzle piece, and each puzzle piece will give you special rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim exhibition pass for free in Heartopia Sanrio Characters Invitation event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.